This is not a game. This is a race.
Race?
It takes strength, it takes tremendous will, intelligence, sensitivity. It's only a handful of people in the entire world who can do it at the level that you're going to be asked to do it. When you're in a race, the G-forces will be twice what an astronaut experiences upon liftoff. And it's under these conditions that you're going to be forced to make split-second decisions that could cost you your life.
Why don't you follow the race now?
See the other guys, they follow that line. It's not wide, but wide, this size. Sometimes I beat them, not that.